So this time I decided to do a quick and easy woodworking project. This is the paper towel holder. This is one that I made, gosh, I want to say like maybe when I was back in 7th or 8th grade shop class. So it's an excellent woodworking project for people who are just getting started. It's also a good project for experienced woodworkers who just want to pull their kids into the shop or maybe even their grandkids. So coming up in the video, I'll show you how I made this. It's a very easy project. It's one board project. Well, I guess technically two if you include the dowel rod. But it's something you can knock out in about an hour or two. So stick around, I'll show you how I made this. Oh, and be sure to check out my website at woodlogger.com where I'll post more detailed information about this project and other projects I have going on in my shop. So to get started with my paper towel roll holder, I've got an oak board here that I'm going to trim down to a width and a length of 8 inches. After I trim that board down, I'll take a ruler and I'll do kind of a crosshatch just so that I can find the center of the board. And I want to do that because the base is going to be circular. So I've got a compass here. Once I find my center point, I'll put that on there. I'll draw my circle, and then I'll head over to the bandsaw with that and trim it out. Also, I've got a 1-inch oak dowel rod here that I'm going to cut on my table saw as well to a length of 11.5 inches. The ½ inch is actually going to be for this board because I'll drill a hole that's about a ½ inch into the board, and then that'll be inserted. So that'll leave me 11 inches, and that's pretty standard for most paper roll towel holders, at least from my research. So anyways, coming up in the video, I'll show you just here how I'm going to do that next. Alright, so that wraps up another project. This was an easy one to do. Just a couple notes. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to drill the hole there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out my website at woodlogger.com, and if you haven't clicked subscribe yet on YouTube, do that too.